Have you ever wondered how the motors that drive today's sophisticated drones are made? These tiny powerhouses play a crucial role in enabling drones to lift off, hover, and maneuver through the skies with precision. But have you ever thought about the intricate manufacturing process that goes into creating these motors? Well, let's take a closer look at the fascinating journey of how drone motors are made, uncovering the precision, technology, and engineering that make these marvels of modern technology possible. But before we dive into the manufacturing process, it's essential to understand the heart of any drone, the motor. For drones, the motor is the most important component. It's the central component that powers the propellers, giving them the ability to generate thrust and allowing the drone to take off, fly, and land. The motor's performance directly influences the drone's capabilities. A powerful and efficient motor ensures the drone can carry its payload, whether that's a camera for aerial photography or equipment for package delivery. It also plays a vital role in maneuverability, enabling quick and precise movements that make drones highly agile and responsive to commands. Moreover, the motor's stability and reliability are crucial for smooth and safe flight. Drones operate in environments with various conditions, from windy outdoors to indoor spaces. A good motor can regulate its speed and torque effectively, providing consistent thrust and helping the drone maintain its position and altitude even in challenging conditions. Overall, the motor's performance is fundamental to the success of any drone mission. In the case of drones, brushless DC motors are the go-to choice. They offer higher efficiency, generating less heat and lasting longer than traditional brushed motors. This is why the drone industry overwhelmingly favors them. Now let's delve into the manufacturing process. The journey begins with sourcing the finest raw materials. Drone motors typically use neodymium magnets known for their incredible magnetic strength and 99.99% pure copper wire, which minimizes electrical resistance and maximizes motor efficiency. These materials undergo a series of tests to ensure they meet the highest quality standards. The stator, the stationary part of the motor, is produced by winding copper wire coils around a laminated steel core. This is done using high-speed machines that can wind thousands of coils in minutes, achieving microscopic precision impossible by hand. Once wound, the coils are insulated and hardened with resin to protect them from the elements and mechanical stress. The rotor, the spinning part of the motor, houses neodymium magnets precisely positioned on a metal core. The alignment of these magnets is crucial. Any misalignment can result in vibrations that degrade performance or cause catastrophic failure at high speeds. To ensure precision, sophisticated robotic systems mount the magnets using advanced adhesives or welding techniques. With the stator and rotor prepared, it's time to assemble the motor. A hardened steel shaft is inserted through the center of the rotor, providing a smooth and durable connection between the two parts. Ball bearings are placed on the shaft, providing low friction and excellent radial support. The entire assembly is then placed inside a lightweight yet durable aluminum casing. The fit between the components is designed with minimal clearance to optimize the electromagnetic forces generated during operation. Once assembled, each motor undergoes rigorous balancing to eliminate any rotational irregularities. This is crucial for drones that demand stability and precision. The balanced motor is then subjected to a battery of tests. It's spun to simulate high-speed operation, and its RPM, power output, and torque are measured to ensure they fall within strict tolerances. Additionally, heat is applied to simulate intense flight conditions, and the motor's response is closely monitored to ensure it can manage the heat effectively. For high-end motors, this might involve specialized equipment like eddy current or laser balancing machines and environmental chambers that can simulate extreme temperatures. These rigorous tests and balancing procedures guarantee that each motor operates smoothly, efficiently, and reliably. After successful testing, the motors are ready for use in drone applications. However, it's important to note that motors are often custom designed for specific drone types. Racing drones, for example, may use smaller, lighter motors that prioritize speed over power. In contrast, camera drones used for aerial photography may use larger, more stable motors that can handle heavier loads and provide smoother footage. In conclusion, the manufacturing process of drone motors is a fascinating blend of sophisticated materials, cutting-edge automation, and stringent quality control. Each step, from selecting the finest raw materials to rigorous testing, is a testament to the precision and engineering excellence required to create these miniature powerhouses. The motors are the unsung heroes of drone flight, enabling the precise and reliable performance we observe in modern drones. Whether it's the agility of a racing drone or the steady hovering of a camera drone, these motors play an indispensable role. As drone technology continues to evolve, we can expect advancements in motor design and manufacturing, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of drones. So the next time you see a drone soaring through the sky, take a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of engineering and technology that makes it possible.